Fine. My little iPad. Let me see. Logging in as the Pharaoh Gamer. The Pharaoh Gamer. What? Let me see. Then the Pharaoh Gamer. Oh, Rochelle just retweeted the live stream. Thanks. Oh, my thing here. My base. Fuck. The Pharaoh. Why am I not able to see it? The Pharaoh Gamer. Where in the all names is the chat? It worked last time. Hang on for a sec. I need to do something. Nope, I'm not gonna join a party. I'm gonna live stream. Okay. Don't know if I should use this while live streaming. Or this maybe. It's not gonna work with the headphones. Maybe this would, but yeah. It's just lie on the bed for now, and let's see if I can get the chat up. Just a second here. Show me the computer version. Okay. There you go. Live right now. And I will pause the stream. No, pause it on this thing I have right here, the base, to see the chat. And I'll watch the chat from there and communicate. Let's see. Okay, there's no one talking in the chat, and that's good, so yeah. So I'll just have it there. Watch this live on YouTube Gaming. Oh yeah, I have YouTube Gaming, that's right. Okay, let's just start this freaking game, okay? Episode 2, Part 3. Live. Let's continue. This is working, right? This is working. If it's not, oh, okay, it's working.
Lee, what's wrong?
Yeah, hello. Hey. Okay, det livestreamar akkurat och rycker på. Så livestreamar du på efterposten. Det är jättemånga som är. Ja. Okej. Let's see. I'm here, but I'm not sure how long for, as I have guests around. Okay. Hey, Rochelle. Welcome. Well, this might not be a long stream anyway. My friend called me and he's coming over. Yep. First live stream I have with a face cam. My friend calls me. Of course, that's logic, right? Well, okay. When he gets over, I need to end it there. But let's just continue. I thought this place was safe.
There was a goddamn ambush out there.
Holy shit, are you okay?
Bandits here? On our property?
Oh, my lord! What happened to you, sweetheart?
It was those bastards in the woods, Mama.
Yeah, I'll be alright once it's out. God damn, it hurts.
Hey, y'all.
Mark, oh my god, what happened?
He got shot with an arrow.
Christ, are you gonna be okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I should just pull it out.
Oh, no, honey.
Oh.
Come on, Brenda's got you. Come on inside.
You can't
now.
just pull it
We'll have
out.
you all sorted out. Well, you must be the best.
What kind of shit is this?
We ran into some people on the way up here. Bandits, I guess. I think it was them that attacked us.
They gave us a lot of problems in the beginning, killed a bunch of our farmhands. We were able to get them to stop by making a deal.
You knew about these people?
Food for protection. Not like we had much of a choice, but they did stop hassling us.
God damn it! Doug said this place was safe.
Anything safe.
So much for your deal.
Those shitheads broke the agreement.
I need
Look,
to do
I'm
the
sorry.
same choices I
If
made
had
last
any
part.
inkling they were gonna give you guys trouble, well, we would have gone out there with you. Listen, we may have had an agreement with those people, but we will not stand for this shit.
Ain't no way we're gonna let those sons of bitches get away with this.
You know where these assholes are?
They're hard to pin down, but I think I know where at least one of their camps are. When you're ready to go scope out that bandit camp, come find us.
Bandits? Are you serious? This place isn't safe. We can't stay here.
Not safe. This place is a hell of a lot safer than that motor inn. I think all of us and our guns can handle a couple of punks with bows and arrows. What we need to do is find a way to get our whole group out here to stay. Take this place over if we have to.
Whoa, cool your jets there, Rambo. These are nice people. Let's not do anything to get us thrown out before we eat.
I'm gonna head out and help Dan deal with these bandits. You guys should try to make friends with Andy and Brenda while I'm gone.
Well, that's easy. I got charm coming out of my ass.
Yeah, that's real charming, Dad.
Where's Ben and Doc?
Since Doug ate half the biscuits on the way to get us, I had them stay back. I still don't think we should be trying to stay here, and someone's got to watch the motor inn until we get back.
True.
Hey, I remember seeing kids in your group, so I went ahead and fixed that swing while you were out. I hope you kids like swings.
A swing! I love swings! Just like at my treehouse. Come on, Doc.
Why don't you kids go and play on the swing, huh?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Anytime. We're looking out for you.
I'm pretty sure this is not gonna end fine. Because for me, it feels like those people, the luck they have on us and stuff and talking, it's like they are, what's it called? People who eat other people. Like they're gonna take Mark, chopping up, giving us food and stuff, and I can find out or something, I don't know. They're like cannibals. Cannibals. I'm pretty sure they're cannibals. How? I don't know how, but I'm pretty sure they are.
You can definitely tell they built this thing themselves.
Because I can see it on them. I can see it on their expression. They are cannibals.
That thing keeps the fence electrified.
I still can't remember what happens. Well, something you can't. I know about these kind of games. A lot of the choices are the same every time, whatever your choice is. But some will change the future. Some will actually change a bit of the story, but it will always end the same. So like when you port the first game over to the second game, the choices you made in the first game will make a difference. I'm pretty sure, Because that would make sense to port the game files over. Duh.
Those fences repaired.
Well, let's see. Camera zooms. What are they gonna see in here?
If there's not enough room in the house for all of us, I guess a few of us could camp out here in shifts. If there's not enough room in the house for all of us, I guess a few of us could camp out here in shifts.
There's a hand. It means you're going to open it. It should be the talk, the look thing or talk thing or something, not a hand. And they're gonna talk about camp out here. What? Ooh. Okay.
Lee, oh my god, I'm so glad you two didn't get killed out there. Do you think Mark will be okay?
Wish I knew, but I think he's in good hands now.
Yeah? It's not too bad?
They'll be fine. I've seen guys go through worse.
How could you all bring us to this place?
How do you feel about leaving the motor inn?
It's a welcome change of scenery.
I don't know. If we'd just stayed where we were, then Mark wouldn't have ended up with an arrow in his shoulder.
Yeah. About that, I'm not sure Mark will survive.
I take it you and Kenny didn't exactly make up on the way here.
I tried seeing things from his point of view, having a wife and kid and everything, but gambling with your family's life is pretty stupid if you ask me. Lee, I know you and Kenny are friends, but you recognize that he's not the right person to lead this group, don't you?
Kenny believes there's still hope. Maybe that's what we need right now.
Well, hope
I'm not
doesn't do any
say
good if we're
someone
all
is the
dead.
leader.
I'm focused on keeping us alive.
Because we're going forward, not like, oh, he's the leader, he's going to rule everything. But there wasn't an option to say that, oddly enough.
Hey, can I talk to you in private for a second?
Okay.
About your dad.
It's been 3 months. Your dad still treats me like I'm some kind of asshole.
Yeah, well, don't expect that to change. That's just how he is.
Does he treat you like that too?
Look, my dad can be an ass sometimes, I know that. But he's not a bad guy. He's got a lot of pain. He's been through so much, and lost pretty much everything. And it's hardened him, you know? Yeah, he's bitter and hateful, but that's all just to protect himself. And me. All he's got left in the world is me. And that goes both ways. So yeah, he's probably gonna keep treating you like crap, but that's just because he still has one thing left to care about. So don't judge him. And don't judge me for sticking by him. He's my dad. And I love him.
I can see why it would be like that.
Think our little arrangement with them was a good idea?
A little late to be asking that now, don't you think?
Dad's right. Let's just wait for dinner. And then if Mark is feeling up to it, we leave. I don't want to push our luck here.
Now, let's not be hasty.
I'm gonna go check things out.
Just don't get too nosy. These kinds of people are usually pretty protective of their privacy.
Yeah, and we don't need you poking your nose where it don't belong and getting us thrown out in our asses.
I'm really sorry to hear that, Rochelle. I'm sorry about your loss. I'm sorry to hear that. It's not fun losing someone you care about.
Lots of hay. Enough of these might work as adequate cover from arrows, if that becomes a problem.
No problem, Rochelle. I'm sorry. Oh no. I hope you'll be better about it. I hope you'll get over it. Sometimes it can be really hard. Some things that happened to me when I was younger, with me, my dad and mom and my sisters, everything that was going on was terrible. I haven't gotten over it until recently. Just some months ago. It's terrible, you know. That terrible it ended up on TV. Life is strange. But don't lose hope. Never lose hope.
Hey, Clem, do you like the swing?
Yeah, it's fun.
Be sure to tell Andy thank you, okay?
I will. Will you push me on it?
Sure.
Happy to push you on the swing. Mind if Clementine takes a turn?
All right, Duck. Let Clementine have a try for a bit.
Okay.
This reminds me of. This gives me memories. This part. A swing. I was poof. I flew off the swing and I just woo thought I was flying. It was back in Reykjavik some years ago. Well, I got to go. Thanks everyone for watching. Goodbye. No, det gick ju inte. Det var livestream.